Romania, and I belong from the beautiful state of Sikkim. The dazzling waterfalls, virgin forests, Tibetan-style Buddhist gompas, and alpine meadows is what describes Sikkim the best. Sikkim is a state in northeast India, bordered by Bhutan, Tibet, and Nepal. One of the smallest states in India, Sikkim is rich in its biodiversity. And being a host to Kanchenjunga, the highest peak in India and third highest on Mother Earth. However, the real beauty of Sikkim lies in its people and their culture. Oh, my friends are waiting for me. But you stay tuned and know more about my state. Very betonla.
Sikkim brings together many diverse gods and knits them into a spectacular and harmonious whole. The gorgeous state of Sikkim nestles in Eastern Himalayan region of India and is home to tropical moist forests on one hand and cold deserts on the other. Referred to as the paradise on earth, the crowning glory of this wonderland is undoubtedly the magnificent Mount Kanchenjunga. Not only that, Sikkim is also endowed with several beautiful lakes dotting its landscape. Home for more than 500 types of orchids, 17,000 species of flowering plants, and 3,000 butterflies. Sikkim is undoubtedly a paradise on earth.
Landlocked state is located in the eastern part of the country and is bordered by Tibet in the north, Bhutan in the west, Nepal in the east, and West Bengal in the south. The capital city is Gangtok and is located in the southeastern part of the state. Beyond the warmth of the people and natural beauty, Sikkim is also recognized as the world's first 100% organic state by the United Nations. Besides the phenomenal beauty, the state is also renowned for giving our country many celebrated personalities like Danny Densonga, Baichung Bhutia and Nirmal Chetri are a couple of those characters India is proud of. Some of the world's highest lakes to rhododendron groves blooming, from the gorgeous monasteries to pristine Hindu shrines, Sikkim has it all.
The history of Sikkim begins with indigenous Lepchas' contact with early Tibetan settlers, ruled by a Buddhist priest king known as the Chogyal. The kingdom of Sikkim was founded by the Namgyal dynasty in the 17th century. In 1890, Sikkim became a princely state of British India. Long after, in 1975, after a decisive referendum, Sikkim became the 22nd state of independent India.
Beautiful land, beautiful people, and beautiful melodies as well. Music of Sikkim ranges from traditional Nepali folk music to westernized pop music. Now let's enjoy a melodious song. Malay Sikkim mana paracha, Sikkim mana paracha. Wow, such a melodic song. Sikkim is undoubtedly a rich and vibrant state. The key ethnic communities, Lepchas, Bhutias and Nepalis intermingle freely. The amalgamation of their different traditions has resulted in a unique culture that is essentially Sikkimese. Let's know more about the beautiful and vibrant culture of Sikkim.
The earliest Lepchas were nature worshippers. The language of this community is rich in vocabulary related to the flora and fauna of Sikkim. The Lepcha men wear thakro, a colorful sheet, yethastis, a shirt, and shambo, a cap.
The Bhutias mostly practice Buddhism. The Bhutia men dress in Bagh, which is a loose cloak-type garment, and Kera, a cloth belt. Women mostly dress in full-sleeve blouse called honjo and a loose gown garment called cushion, and shambo, which is a cap. Women are also very fond of wearing jewelry made up of pure gold and silver.
Nepalis are primarily Hindus. Their language is similar to Hindi. Their traditional male dress consists of a long double-breasted garment known as jawara and a waistcoat ascot. They also carry kukri, a sharp knife. The women dress in chawbandi choli. They also wear colorful saris known as pahadiya and shawls as majestro.
Sikkim is a reservoir of eye-catching handicrafts and handlooms like carpets, woodcarved furniture, thankas and canvas wall hangings. Let's have a look at the arts and crafts of Sikkim.
The handicrafts of Sikkim have a kind of appeal in them, whether it is fantastic woven carpet or amazing chotse table, everything is just wonderful. The Bhutia women specialize in carpet weaving, while blanket weaving is a specialty of the Nepalese women. A thanka is an elaborately hand-painted religious scroll in brilliant colors drawn on fabrics. It occupies a prominent place in monasteries as well as homes. The theme of thanka relates to the Buddha and his life. Wood carving is also an ancient art form. Cane, bamboo and wooden masks are also among important crafts of Sikkim. People from India as well as abroad stroll the markets to grab hold the craft of Sikkim.
Sikkim, a land of mystic splendor and unparalleled beauty, has numerous of festivals celebrated by its three ethnic communities. The Lepchas and the Bhutias have certain common festivals such as Losar, Lusong and Sagadawa. The Nepalis, on the other hand, celebrate the festivals of Tihar, Dase and Maghi Sankranti. These exuberant festivals bring along with them ceremonial mask dance performed with energy and zeal.
Sikkim is famous not only for its natural beauty but also its delicious cuisine, combining the local influences and ones from the countries around. Sikkimese cuisine is led with flavors, soups, stews, dumplings, meats, and a whole lot of vegetables. Some famous Sikkimese foods are momo, thukpa, gundruk, and dal bhat. So today, let me take you to my kitchen and prepare my favorite dish, thukpa. So today, we're going to make one of the most famous dishes of Sikkim, thukpa. For that, we need some capsicum, beans, onion, carrot and a little bit of ginger. And the main ingredient will be noodles. For the noodles, we have boiled water, and here we have a pan in which we'll add the oil and fry the veggies. Now, as the noodles are boiling, we are going to add the veggies in the oil and saute them. Once the vegetables are half cooked, we'll add the spices and some sauces for our thukpa soup. Once the spices are thoroughly mixed in the veggies, we'll add some water and bring it to boil. Now we will add these boiled noodles to the soup and cook it until the soup is thick. Now we'll mix it for some time. As you can see, our thukpa is ready and I added a bit of cottage cheese to enhance the taste. Now let us enjoy the taste of Sikkim in our thukpa.
Wonderful, isn't it? Well, friends, no community is complete without foods and festivals. Sikkimese cuisine can be traditionally divided into fermented and non-fermented foods with a multitude of beverages, alcoholic and non-alcoholic. All the communities that inhabit Sikkim express their joys and desires through their own distinctive folk dances and festivals. Now let's enjoy the rich flavors of Sikkim.
The truest beauty of Sikkimese culture can be seen in its dance and music. Charm is the most famous mass dance of Sikkim, performed by Buddhist lamas in monasteries during special occasions. The folk dances of the three ethnic communities, Lepchas, Nepalese and Bhutias, are an integral part of Sikkimese culture. These dances are traditional and extremely exciting. Most of the dances are related to the beauty of the natural surroundings. Some describe the harvest season, while others are performed for good luck and prosperity. Some of the other popular folk dances are Chufat, Maruni, Tamang Selo, Limbo, Yak Cham and Singhai Cham. So, let us enjoy a beautiful Sikkimese folk dance performance.
play a major role in Sikkim. Buddhism and Hinduism are the two major religions of Sikkim. Buddhism is practiced by most of the Tibetans and Bhutias, whereas Nepalis follow Hinduism. Vajrayana Buddhism of the Nine-Ma order is Sikkim's state religion. About 200 monasteries adorn this beautiful state. Monastic mysticism, lamas and nuns wrapped in red robes, fluttering prayer flags and rotating prayer wheels characterize the image of erstwhile kingdom. So let's explore the famous religious sites of Sikkim, which also serve as famous tourist attractions. Isn't Sikkim truly a wonderland? Sikkim's breathtaking beauty and overall ambience are set to suit a weary traveler's soul. This land of mountains and monasteries, gusty rivers, and lush green forests was recommended as one of the best places to visit by the international travel guide Lonely Planet. Hope you fell in love with the state just like we did.
Oh, hello everyone, you are back. I know you must have enjoyed knowing about my beautiful state and now must be planning to visit and see all these exemplary things from real to real. To reach Sikkim, you can take a flight to Bagh Airport, located in West Bengal, followed by a taxi ride to reach Gangtok. You can also take trains to reach Jalpaiguri or Siliguri and reach the capital city, Gangtok, taking a cab from there. I will be waiting to see you all. Ramirodina, Sikkim chetai bheto anla. Very bheto anla.
Tashi, tashi, alani sho. Kung sa tiduni me tashi ala sho. Chidu lingji korji tashi ala sho. Tashi, tashi, alani sho. Tashi ala sho, singi yura mumje tashi ala sho, tashi tashi ala nisho, tate chayang kepe tashi ala sho. Yepe shokti ngomji tashi ala sho.